Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and the finish. Put on a respirator and gloves and inspect the drip closely to decide the approach. If it's raised, score the top gently with a razor to break the skin, then use a flexible scraper at a shallow angle to remove excess. Once done, sand the area lightly with 180 grit to flatten high spots. Make sure to work outward to avoid creating a depression. Wipe with a tack cloth to remove dust. You continue by refining the surface. Move from 180 grit to 320, then to 600 for a smooth transition. Sand with even, overlapping strokes and keep the pad flat so you don't create a low spot. Check your progress from different angles under good light. Once the bump is gone, feather the paint edges so the repair will disappear under new coats. After sanding, clean the area with a compatible solvent to remove oils and particles. Make sure to let it flash off before proceeding. You finish by spot priming the repaired area to seal and lock the feathered edge. Allow the primer to cure fully. Then spray thin, even passes of top coat. Multiple light layers will hide repairs far better than a single heavy coat. Once dry, inspect for ghosting or texture differences. If a faint shadow remains, wet sand with 600-800 grit and apply a thin glaze or primer surfacer, then recoat. If runs reappear, reduce flow, increase overlap, and test spray on a card first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.